The Philippines government says the cost of reconstruction following Typhoon Haiyan may be over €4 billion. So far, countries and organisations have pledged a total of under €200 million, a fraction of what will be needed in the long term. In eastern Samar province, one of the worst affected areas, some isolated communities are yet to receive significant aid despite a massive international relief effort. Some people in Tacloban are building their own makeshift accommodation, while others, like this woman, have taken shelter in a convention centre. Some members of our family are missing, she says. We don't know where they are now. Information provided by survivors has enabled lists to be drawn up of those who are still unaccounted for. The official number of dead stands at around 4,000, with more than 1,000 missing. But the UN says information about several areas remains limited, while the World Food Programme says although it's reached nearly 2 million people, many more have been affected by the storm. Relief operations are set to last months or even longer.